DRB Group are a professional engineering service provider and manufacturer. We offer everything engineering. Support to our customers is 24/7, machining, fabrication, fitting, hydraulics, pneumatics, all of the engineering supplies, and we can supply component parts and manufactured products. One of the things that we do is recruit from the local area because that serves us the best purpose for the business, and also it helps us develop the key skills that we need from the local area, from College Cambria and also Glyndŵr University. The Welsh Government have been really supportive of us in various ways, looking at funding for machinery, for growing the business, but also we've got key contacts in the Welsh Government that assist us on a day-to-day basis and helped us grow the business through business development and looking at opportunities for us to take on extra work. They support us through all aspects of what we do as a business. Being in Wales is perfect for DRB Group because 80% of our customers are within a 25-mile radius, and that gives us plenty of potential to expand and grow. From a supply chain, from a support for engineering staff, it's really good. The motorway network, such as the M53, the M6 and the M56, are very close by, and it's easy access to get everywhere where you need to be. The work-life balance is great because obviously you've got some of the best scenery and places to visit in Wales, so it does attract a lot of customers as well. I think the key attractions to start-up businesses, two things. One is the industrial sectors that are here, very varied, and secondly the support from the local council, the academia such as College Cambria, Glyndŵr University. There's plenty of aspects of support for that new business start-up as well.